What is going on YouTube? We are back with an unboxing. I've finally given in and going for a DJI OSMO Pocket 3. Here we go, unboxing. Lovely jubbly. Okay, so this literally is just going to be an unboxing video. I have no idea how to work this. I'm like more GoPros. I've had like quite a few GoPros. I still have GoPros. Even have it Insta360, but I've never had an Osmo Pocket 3. But I caved in. Everyone has them, so if I had to get one, I was going to wait till the 4 came out, but they claimed it was coming out on the 26th, which was yesterday or the day before that. But it hasn't, so I tried to Google when it's coming out, no idea, so I couldn't wait. So here we go, unboxing the 3, and this is the creator combo, because I wanted the mic. So literally just gonna be like a straight unboxing video. I have to figure out how to work it. So here we go. Osmo Pocket 3. Oh, it even says create a combo on it. First up, oh, got the seal. I know this is kind of old and this camera's been out a while, but to me, it's new and I like doing unboxing videos. So here's the instructions. Oh, so we did get a sticker then. When did I get a drone? Here's the little bag you get. Okay, there's the bag. Let's see what's in this box. Nothing else. So I'm guessing this is the case, the protective case that I could keep it in. Oh, it's nice. There's a nice kind of grip on it. There's a protective case. So everything's going to be in here. Does it open like a funny way? Alright, here we go. Okay, let me get everything out. There's the camera. Get all the bits out. Okay, there's the power cable. Okay, there's the mic, which is the reason I wanted the creator combo. Apparently there's like a little magnet somehow. Clips on. Oh, there you go. So you're gonna have this side, so you don't have to have a big old DJI. Even that probably will. Doesn't really bother me. So there's the upside down. There is the microphone with the fluffy bit for the wind distortion. And there's the lanyard, I guess, in there with it. Here's the tripod. Little tripod, branded. I'm kind of confused. Is this like a, oh no, it's a battery extender in it. So there's the regular battery. There's the regular battery, so I guess only one goes in. I guess only one of them goes in. So I guess it's the regular. So that's that simple. Pull the thing off. Apparently you can just flip the thing and it comes on. Oh, look at that. There it is. There's a little... Okay, I gotta set it all up. But kind of crazy. And then I just push that to get this off. Which way does this one go? Guessing this way. So the extension battery. And then pretty much that is it. Like I said, I have no idea how to work it. I just wanted to show you what came in the creator combo and that. I now have one. That gimbal's kind of fun, isn't it? Look at that. I have to set it up on the app. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one. See you later.